Okay, today we are rebuilding a Sloan Urinal flush handle. So here's a urinal in question. You want to start by turning off the water here at the valve with the flathead screwdriver. Turn the screw to the right. Flush it, make sure the water is off. Then we're going to take some smooth jaw channel locks and gently unscrew this chrome nut. And the handle will come right off. So we're going to replace all these internals, the gasket, the plunger, the seal, the bushing. Take my channel locks and unscrew the white plastic bushing from the body. See, everything kind of comes apart together like so. It's kind of dirty in there. We'll clean that up. Here's the new Sloan repair kit. Comes with everything you need that you see here. This is not a paid promotion for this product. We start by installing the spring on the new plunger, then installing the bushing like so. Then we're going to lubricate and install the new seal. That'll aid with the assembly and operation of the handle. You can see it operates nicely, like so. You can compare the old to the new to make sure we have everything orientated properly. And we're going to carefully screw it back in. Be careful not to cross thread. You shouldn't have to put channel locks on this to tighten it down. Hand tight should be good enough. Just make sure you line up your threads properly. Make sure you install your new gasket. Line it up. Slide the chrome nut on and tighten the chrome nut down. And because this is a gasket seal, you don't need to tighten it super tight. Just gently snug it a tiny bit with your smooth jaw channel locks. That should be plenty right there. And remember to turn the water back on and test your work. I also want to tell you about a Practical Facilities Maintenance Handbook, now available on Amazon in ebook and paperback format. It has common facilities documents, signage, reference and resource material, as well as shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment that you need for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. Or if you need cups, shirts, hats, or weather-resistant decals for your facility, there's a link in this video description below for the products you see here. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.